Testing 1 2 1 2. All right. What a day. What a day yesterday. So much going on. Today is July the 20th of 2018. And as you know, I've been tracking the Aussie. And we have been in a tight range for these last few days. And you know what? Yesterday, I put a long position on the Aussie and wanted to test out this model. Even while I was paper trading, I did some paper trading on it, but I don't think I put a long position on it. And some news came out with Donald Trump saying something about that the dollar is... the interest rates hikes are, affecting the dollar, and that he doesn't like that the dollar, it's going up, and he doesn't like that the interest rates. So whatever the comment was, it gave gold a spike. I traded it and got some pips. I didn't get a big nice move in it. And all the currencies just started popping. And then I was like, you know what? Maybe is this the catalyst? I don't know. Maybe not. Either way, I know that the model was saying that it was going to go higher. So I went and got in at what, 73? Let's see here. I got all the way down here. Trying to look at my trade. I got in somewhere 73.58 right here. 73.58. Not the greatest entry. 73.58. Somewhere around here. Well, not that bad. It's above the 25% level right here. They brought some pressure. This would have been a nice place to buy. Somewhere around here. And, I put my stop. I gave myself a $100 stop. So I'm all the way down here. But I have an alert just in case this gets violated. I'm going to go and look at the price action. And if I see there's some news or something that's going on that it's selling and it's not stopping, then I'll just get out before it even hits my stop. Get out with a minor loss. But for those that have been following my channel, the model, man, it's amazing how this model is picking these turns. The model doesn't pick the prices. The model is just picking the turns. I'm using more Gann stuff for like prices and, calculations and possible targets. But the turning points, the model has been nailing it since July 2nd, all these turns. So the model is saying, that it's going up all the way to like the 23rd. Well, it's not going to go up this weekend, but should be making a high somewhere around the 23rd. Monday may push higher. Maybe even the 24th, but I'm leaning more on the 23rd. And then it probably pushed lower on the 26th. So let's see how much Momo does it get. And the reason for this model, this model could be something for maybe just scalping, Like, all right, I'm just going to ride this thing into the 23rd and then I'm just going to get out. And I only got, 10 lot. Nothing major, nothing big. And so far it's up $58. Some traders ask me, "Hey man, how do you manage risk and all that?" And I say sometimes, I just get in, and just wet my toes in a position. I don't go, hardcore blow out 50, 100, lot. I just go in small and just test it out. Give me some wiggle room just in case things, get a little crazy. And I say I'm going to risk $100. If this is not the low, then it's going to push lower, and then I'll do some more calculations and figure that out. And like Gann says, have mathematical reasoning behind your trade. If you're in doubt, wait. I was reading a book or one of his manuals. When you're in doubt of a trade and the position and where the market is structure wise, wait till it goes over some angles or some key points. And this is the point I'm waiting for it to go, which is 74. This angle keeps rising. So I have an alert. Right now it's 74.14, and it's good. It's good. I like this consolidation. It's a battle right here. There's bears that want to push it down, and there's bulls that want to go up. And we're at this angle. The Elliott guys say this is the fifth wave. We've ended right here. And you can see that people are respecting that. Somebody's respecting that low. They're not letting the bears take over. They're popping it up. They're popping it up. Today now is this pop. And statistically, Friday, it's a down day. And today is Friday, right? Am I not going nuts? Yeah, Friday. Thursday, statistically, is a green day. And Friday normally is a down day. But, somebody asked me also, those statistics, those day statistics, do you have value to that? I mean, you think is really going to go down every Friday? No, obviously not. It's an edge. It's a probability. It's something behind your mind that you just in case I see it and it's selling and it's on a Friday, then it's lining up with the probability statistically that normally Fridays are red. But not that every Friday is going to be red. I mean, look at the Friday. The model I'm using is saying we're going up today for whatever reason, and we're going to go all the way up to the 23rd. But then statistically, the statistics say that Fridays always sells off. So you have to kind of balance it out. You can't. One is not going to overrule the other. You're testing both things, but in reality, price is king and price is the action. Price has the action to dictate what it wants to do. It's the leading indicator, and then everything else will follow. So the answer to that question is no. Statistically, if Friday is a down day, not every Friday is going to be a down day. But in the back of your mind, you always have that probability statistically stored back there. In regards to days, and you do that, with months, seasonalities, all those little things. You just kind of have it back there. But at the end of the day, price is going to tell you what it's going to do. Like the Elliott guys say, this is wave 5, and we should be going up. We should do an A, B, C, and and go or wave 1, 2, 3. Where they do their calculations. So we'll see. That's where we at right now. This sucker's going. I wonder if there's any news on this thing. China sends yuan lower by most in 2 years after Trump comments. Now, that's a whole other animal. But yeah, let's open this up. Let's look at what this trade, what's going on here. So this is what I'm looking at. Let's open this up. This is the daily chart. So we've been respecting. We have right here a fail new low. This area right here. I'm not too good with this drawing thing here. Fail new low. We're pushing up. The model says that we are probably gonna maybe hit this here, or maybe retest on Monday that high right here. I don't know. We'll see. But there's resistance here, that 45-degree angle. I don't know. It might get up there. I mean, look at this. It got up there. It failed here. It failed there. It's failing there. These 2 days pop. The model picked that right. These 2 days right here. So we're shooting to go up here, And if we fail and halt right there, then we're probably going to go down all the way. The model says, I think, to the 26. And, you know, and they may find support there at the 50, may come down here. I don't know why I have this line here, 74.11, or this, well, this angle just got violated, so I got to fix all that. So that's what the model is saying. But it all depends how high we go. You know, we could probably go all the way up here and then come down and maybe test. Maybe we stop here, let's say, and then the 23rd, Monday, maybe we test that up there, or this level right here. And if we fail and it stalls out, then maybe we could go down and maybe test this level right here. But the model says that it's going to go down to the 26, somewhere around this ballpark right here. So we'll see. That's it for today. I just wanted to show you that. The dollar is getting weak, I guess, because look at all the other guys. They're all green. The biggest one, let's see this. 0.87, 83. The two bigger moves are here is the New Zealand and the Aussie. Everybody else is a little, the euro, the CAD, minus 105. Wow. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to sign out. Get ready for scalping day, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the Aussie. Good trading, y'all, for this weekend. Make some pips, and I'll be back Monday.